Now what if I tell you I almost lost all my vacation memories in one stupid moment? I'm not even kidding. I was just clearing some storage on my iPhone, tapping away like a normal day, and boom, a bunch of my vacation photos and videos were gone. And that's when it hits you. These aren't just files, these are actual memories. Safe to say, mild panic turned into full-on regret pretty quickly. So naturally, I did what anyone would do. I start hunting for a way to get them back. And that's where I came across stellar data recovery for iPhone. Now at first I was a bit skeptical because let's be real, every recovery tool claims that it can magically bring back your deleted stuff. But when you're desperate, you are also a little more willing to give things a shot. So I decided to try it out myself and see if it could actually recover my photos and videos. And while I was at it, I also explored what else it can bring back, like WhatsApp chat, contacts and other data. So in this review, I'm basically sharing my honest experience on how easy it was to use, what actually worked, and whether it is something you can rely on when things go wrong. Now when you delete something on your iPhone, it's not instantly gone. Your phone just marked that space as free, but the actual data is still sitting there for a while. Think of it like hiding in the background waiting to be replaced, and that small window is your only chance to recover it. And that's exactly where stellar data recovery for iPhone comes in. It scans your iPhone storage and tries to find those hidden files before they are overwritten. You just connect your phone to a PC or Mac, run a scan and recover whatever it finds. It's pretty straightforward. And it works well for things like accidental deletion. Just don't wait too long because once new data replaces those files, they are gone for good. Alright, let me explain this to you step by step because it's actually much simpler than it sounds, even if you're not into tech at all. Now first thing first, you just need to download and install the tool on your PC or Mac. Now I have put the link in the description down below so you don't have to go hunting for it. Now just to show you how this tool works, I deleted a bunch of photos, even cleared them from the trash, so yeah, they are completely gone. Normally that's the point where you accept your fate and move on, but this is exactly where this tool comes in. As soon as you open it, it simply asks what you want to recover. Photos, videos, messages, notes, contacts, all of that. You just pick what you need and move ahead. After that, you connect your iPhone using a USB cable. The app will automatically detect your device. You select it, hit scan and enter your phone's passcode. After that, just give it a little time. It basically starts searching through your phone like a digital detective trying to recover everything it can scan. Now once the scan is complete, this is the fun part. The app shows you all the data it found. Photos, videos, messages, bookmarks, everything neatly listed. It honestly feels like scrolling through a lost and found section of your own phone. And if you don't see what you're looking for, don't worry. There is even a deep scan option, which is super useful. It's like telling the app to search more thoroughly. It takes a bit longer, but it can find files that the normal scan might miss. And in my case, I only needed my photos, so I just opened the camera roll section and there they were, all the deleted photos. From here, it's really simple. Just select the ones you want, click save and browse where you want to keep them on your computer like your desktop. Once it's done, just open the file to check and boom, your photos are back. And I'm not gonna lie, seeing something you thought were gone forever suddenly reappear, it feels pretty awesome. Now let's talk about pricing because yeah, this is where most people start thinking twice. But honestly, Stellar has kept things pretty reasonable. The standard plan costs $39.99 for a full year plan and you can use it on up to 3 devices, which is actually pretty useful if you got multiple iPhones at home or in the family. There is also a toolkit bundle priced at $49.99 and this one honestly makes more sense if you want extra features. Along with data recovery, you also got tools like iPhone Data Eraser, iOS System Repair and even the option to remove an Apple ID. So it's kind of like all-in-one fix in your kit for your iPhone. Now here is the good part. You can actually scan and preview your files for free, so you will know whether your data is recoverable before spending anything. But if you want to actually recover and save those files, you will need to get the paid version. So after really putting stellar data recovery for iPhone to the test, here is my honest verdict. It actually delivers on what it promises and more importantly, it does it without making things complicated. You don't need to be some tech genius to find it out. There is no risky business involved, and it genuinely helps you recover photos, chats, and important files when things go wrong. So if you have ever lost important photos, messages, or files, don't wait for it to happen again. Give yourself a safety net. Download Stellar Data Recovery now from the link in the description down below and see what you can recover. Your data might still be waiting to be saved.